All right. How's everyone doing? I know I'm going to see everybody in class. Let's see here. Thursday. Yeah. If you're watching this before we meet, then good job. If not, that's fine. But yeah, welcome to Psy 150, General Psychology. This is Psych 150 DH01, so that's our section number. My name is Dr. Gilmore. Like I said, we'll be seeing each other in the classroom. This is a hybrid class, so we meet on Monday and Wednesday at 2 to 3:15. Okay. And so what I would ask you to do, if you're looking at this before we actually meet, take a look at the syllabus. There are some high points there. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see here. And we're going to go all over this in class, so I'm not going to go over too much here, but let's see. Attendance policy. Basically, you don't want to miss more than 3 days. Let's scroll up here. The class is out of 1,000 points. I'll explain how all this works. Basically, you have assignments in Moodle that you'll do throughout the class. We'll also meet in person to discuss concepts, go over material. But there is some outside work that you'll have to do because it is a hybrid class, a mixture of online and traditional seated. Okay? So you do need access to Moodle and your student email. That's very important for a hybrid class. We'll talk more about the textbook and your textbook options in class. There are a few options. And the bottom line is you do not need a new book. If you already purchased a new book, great. But you do not need to buy a new one. If you can find a used one or borrow one from a friend, that would be great. We'll talk more about that in class. Yeah, let's go back here. So basically, you're not, when you log into Moodle, or when you've already logged in, you're not going to see all this on the left. You're going to see just a few things. But yeah, syllabus, enrollment verification quiz. Please complete that. Like after you listen to this video. Just get it done. It's super easy. It helps me out so I can get all my paperwork and forms submitted on time. Here's a link to the ebook. Again, we'll talk more about your book options on in class. And yeah, we'll have assignments. We'll go through the chapters. You'll have 1 or 2 assignments per chapter. It might be a discussion forum, a quiz, a combination of maybe a writing assignment and a quiz, or maybe just a quiz. It'll just depend on the chapter. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, we're going to be meeting in person, so I don't want to spend too much time here or waste too much of your time because you're just going to hear it again. So I will see you all Wednesday, March 9th at 2 in Azalea 205. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, we're going to have a good semester. All right, see you.